Doesn't it smell good? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute.
Alright, today I am going to show you how to make ramen noodle s'mores. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need is ramen noodles. Right here I have ramen noodles cooked to al dente, chicken flavoration. Absolute goodness. You're also going to need chocolate. Right here I have a piece of chocolate made by a company called Hershey's. And then I have right here graham cracker, absolute goodness, as well as a marshmallow. All right, let's get started. All right, with the graham cracker, I'm gonna cut it in half, just like that. And then I am going to take the chocolate, place it on top right here, and then take some ramen noodles. If you have too much, you can just eat some, but get it lined up and put it on top of the chocolate. All right, and this is a little bit more ramen noodles left over, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this. And then I'm gonna take the marshmallow, place it on top, like that, and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. After 15 seconds, your marshmallow and chocolate should be melted a little bit. Let me zoom in so you can see some more of the texturation. You're gonna take the other half of the graham cracker, smash it on top, and then now it's ready to eat. Doesn't it look good? Doesn't it smell good? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.